my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again in this video I'm talking about the Akita coin. Wow, at this time the Akita hold is doing a biggest mistake. Unfortunately, why are you doing this mistake? Please don't do this mistake. It's time to take a profit from Akita, I and you, friends. Anyways, for more details, keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much, you all my subscribe. Thank you so much for subscribing Abby's Tech channel, friends. Anyways, let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the Akita. 0.00018 USD dollar is the currently price of Akita, and if you look the price change occurred in Akita, so the last 1 hour price change is negative except of the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week. The last 1 day and the last 1 week change is positive, friends. That's a good news. That's already good news for me that the both changes occur in Akita as going positive, friends. But the last 1 hour pricing is negative, and this time the Akita hold is doing a biggest mistake. As you can see here, that is the last 1 day, that is the last 24-hour price chart you are watching now on the screen, friends. If you look at this time, friends, as you can see here on this time, let me show you. As you can see here this time, friends, at this time the price falls occur in Akita, so a lot of holders, especially the short-term investor, doing a biggest mistake on this time, friends. Don't do this mistake at this time, friends. As you can see, a lot of holders want to sell Akita INU in this time, friends. Don't sell it. It's time to hold Akita, my friends. It's time to hold. It's time to hold Akita and make a good amount of profit with Akita with the future, friends. I hope that Akita will soon hit a $1 friends. What's your prediction about Akita? My prediction is very positive, and I want to sell. I want to don't sell my Akita INU throughout this 1 year. What my plan? My plan is that I'm going to selling my Akita INU and the start of 2022, friends. What's your prediction? Because my prediction is very positive about Akita. As you can see here, if you look the prices occur in Akita of the last 1 day, so 104.65% positive changes occur in Akita, and if you look the changes occur, the highest price of Akita is 0.000029 USD dollar is the highest price of Akita INU in this time, friends. Absolutely, Shiba token and Akita is going upward in the market. What's your prediction about this coin? Please tell me in the comment box, and kindly please don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.